Hello, wonderful people. You're welcome to my channel, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this. So, if I show you a very simple way to make 20k to 30k or even 50k from your phone in a single day, would you really love that? All right, if you're going to love that and it's what you've been anticipating for, then I need you to pay very close attention to every single thing that I'll be teaching you here today on this video. Okay, guys, this might likely be a breakthrough for some of you, and you don't want to miss it. Now let me show you something. Let me open my bank app, GTB. That's what I've been using to receive my alerts. So let me show you something, guys, so that you see for yourself. All right, and know that what I'm about to teach you is real, legit, and true. And you need to take action as soon as you're done watching this video. So I'll log into my GTB app, and then I want to go straight to history. Okay, I want to go straight to history. All right, as you can see here, you can see these are different credit alerts, and this is a 2,500 naira from Ifeanyi, Kudirat, Benedita, and a lot of them. Now this is just today's own. 4 people has just paid recently, and I'm even anticipating more money. Now this is the thing, guys. This is the logic about this business. Now I believe a whole lot of you are gradually getting familiar with the current trending AI photos and AI pictures here and there. All right. Now, there are a lot of people who would love you to help them generate AI photos, to convert their photos, wedding photos, or any kind of picture that is snapped. They want you to help them convert into an AI and make it look nice, put some nice dress on it or a wonderful background. And this is something that you can actually do with your phone. All right, now that is what I want to teach you guys, how to actually use AI applications and convert ordinary photos into an AI photo. Then I'll also show you where you're gonna get people who need you to do those kind of services. It's a platform where there are thousands of people, and these people are looking for who is going to help them do the work, even as any amount. As you can see, I was charging 2.5 for this. You can charge 3,000 if you want. You can charge 1,000 if you want. Any amount you want, depending on how you want your customers to flow. All right, so all you need to do right now is to pay close attention, learn every single thing I'm going to teach you on how to use the application, how to even use it for free without paying. All right, and then I will also show you where you will get the customers, because I know that's one of the biggest questions. Tim, where do I get people? I will show you where to get people whom you're going to do the job for and who are going to pay you directly into your local bank account. So are you excited about a video like this? Why not hit the like button, hit the subscribe button in case if this is your first time on my channel, and make sure the bell, turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss any single thing, because right here in this channel, all I post are contents that help you make money online. My name is Tim Legend. I'm a forex trader, and I'm also an online skill coach, and all I teach are ways for you to make money online. So hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on, hit the like button. Let's get started. All right, so the app we're going to be using for this illustration, all right, when you open the app, it's going to show you something like this, telling you pay quickly, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But don't worry about that. Okay, all you're going to have to do is to click on the X icon on the top left here, and once you click on it, you'll be able to access the app. Now take note, it's not just this app we have on the App Store or Play Store. There are many AI apps. Okay, this is one that I use personally. All right, and is the one I've seen that is quite making sense, which I've actually used in making the money that I made yesterday and today. So I want to show you guys how to use it. So you click on the X icon on the top left, and then you want to click on AI photos. Now it's going to ask you, it says, let's set up your AI profile. All right, so are you a male or a female? Just if you're a male, click male. If you're a female, click female. All right, so I'll select male, click on continue. And it says, let's set up your AI profile. Show us how you look. So what I want you to do right now is to post like about 7 photos of you. Okay, this is just the setup. We're just setting it up. When you're done setting up, you can create AI photos of both female or male. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put in 7 photos of me. Photos. Now it says our AI will generate image of yourself with the overall style and composition of the model image you pick. So I'll pick a model. I can select this one. We will use the style and composition of this photo to create images of yourself. Use this model. Just don't worry about that. Click on the X icon. It's still going to work on it. We are working on your photo. It says our photos are set. Take a look. Now you can see, just look at this nice photo. See the way it just puts me in a beautiful suit. Man, I'm looking cool, baby. All right, so if I swipe right, that is to save, and if I swipe left, that's to delete. So since I like this one, I'll swipe right. Oh man, this one is beautiful. So that's exactly how you can generate beautiful AI photos. So now all these things are saved in your gallery. All right, now once you give it to your customer sees and loves it, man, that's cool. All right, now I'm going to show you what you're going to have to do. Okay, because now you cannot just generate it like this and send to your customer when he hasn't paid you. So I'm going to show you what you will have to do to prevent your customer from taking the photo without paying you. Okay, so the name of the app is Remini. Okay, I believe you must have heard of it or so in one way or the other. Okay, it's Remini, and that's the app you'll be using for your job. Okay, now take note, there are so many other apps in the App Store and in the Play Store, so you can just check out which of the AI apps can serve you better. I remember, if you want the best of all these apps, you just might likely want to go for their premium package. But I will always advise, before you go for the premium package, you can use the free version of it to see how much you can start raising from customers who patronize you first. Then from there you can upgrade into going into premium package to give even more and the best. Okay, now sometimes you might likely think about wanting to change the background. Okay, you might want to change the background, put it in a more beautiful background. But if you subscribe for the premium package, you'll be able to get that opportunity to change backgrounds, but whereby you're still on the free version and you don't want to pay for the premium package yet, I will show you another simple trick on how you can actually take those photos, put them on any background of your choice. Okay, that's why you need to pay close attention. Are you loving this video? Is it really making sense to you? Why not support me by hitting the like button and also hit the subscribe button in case if you haven't subscribed, so that you don't miss out wonderful contents like this that helps you make money online. All right, so if you want to change the background of a photo, remember, I have many things I want to teach you. I want to teach you how to send the photo to your customer to prevent them from taking advantage of you. Okay, so they will have to pay you before you give them the original photo. So if you want to change the background of any photo, this is what you want to do. First of all, you want to go to your Google Chrome and search for any background you want. So let's say nice office background. Okay, let's see this one. This one is making quite some sense. This one is making sense. Okay, so we just save it. So once you save, you're going to use an app called InShots. All right, this is the app InShots. You want to go over to Photos. All right, you click on New. You click on Blank. All right, you want to have a blank photo. Okay, then Canvas. So let's use this one. That's the shape we want to use. Then we'll click on background. So under background, we'll click here, photo, and then that's where we'll bring in the background we want to use. So as you can see, the background is blur. So if you click here, it becomes more blurry. So we want to click here so it becomes natural. All right, and click done. So this is the background. So now we want to bring in a photo into this background. We click on sticker, click on this photo icon. You see here we have the plus icon, and here we have the image remover icon. So we click on this image remover icon, click choose from row, and then let's say I want to use this one. So it's imported now without its natural background. So we'll click done. So what I'm going to do is I can make it bigger, bring it down, and let's see how it looks. Wow, it looks quite nice. It looks quite nice, yeah. So this is exactly how you can actually change the background to any background you want. Okay, And then when you see your customers flowing and flowing, you can purchase the premium package of it and make the job even more easier for you. All right, now when you're done, you don't want to send this to your customer like this, because your customer might see it and love it and do one thing or the other, such as take it, and once he has saved it to his gallery, he has received his photo and yet he hasn't paid you. So what you're going to do is you want to put some watermark on it. All right, so the watermark will enable your customer not to take the photo for him to his advantage against you. All right, so you can maybe say to yourself, the name of your business is Team Legend Photos. So you just click on text here and type team. Then you want to go to opacity here, opacity, drag it to the right. Okay, with this you can see the text is becoming shallow, is becoming more visible now. So if I want it to be a little bit invisible like this, right, click done. So you can just paste it like this, put it like this. Okay, just put it somehow like this. You click save. So once you go to your gallery, you'll find your photo there. All right, so even if you want to send the real one, the original one, to your customer, you can still do the same thing that we just did. All right, that's this one. Okay, so go on that text, type in the name of your business, then just do it like this and save. So we have the two photos here. So with like this, you can send it to your customer. Once your customer sees it and likes it, then he knows that for the logo to be removed from the photo, he needs to pay this whatever amount you guys must have agreed before you started the job. All right, so now the final question is, team, where do I get people to patronize me? Good. Now for you to get that, you need to be part of our community. All right, it's absolutely free to join. There's nothing to pay. All the necessary information, how to get started and how to start getting your customers, you would get them all in the group. All right, absolutely free. Like I said, it's absolutely free. I'm charging you nothing for it. All we need is just to be in a community where all we share is ideas on how to make money online. So hit the like button if you love this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.